How to add moving watermark in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a moving watermark in CapCut. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your CapCut. Now that you're here in CapCut, you need to import the video in the timeline. Once the video is imported in the timeline, you need to simply go ahead and add text to that video that you want to have as a watermark. Let's say this is the text that you want to add as a watermark in this video. Now, once you have added both video and text in the timeline, you can see an option over here in the right side. You need to simply scroll down until you find opacity. And now you need to simply go ahead and reduce the opacity of the text in order to convert it into a watermark. Here, I'm setting it to 20% and this is still visible, so I guess that's fine. If you want to move the watermark, you can see the positions over here, and from here in the side of it you can see an option that says add keyframe. But before you add the keyframe, make sure that the cursor is in the beginning of the video, and once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and click on add keyframe. Now that you have added the keyframe, you need to simply go ahead and move the cursor, and you can place the cursor anywhere over here. Let's say I'm placing the cursor to 20 seconds, and once you have placed your cursor, you need to simply go ahead and select the text or the watermark, and you can slowly pull it down just like this. And once you do that, you can see that a keyframe has been automatically added to 20 seconds or the place that you have stopped the cursor. Now, if you go ahead in the beginning of the cursor and play the video, you can see that the watermark is now moving down just like that. Now, let's say you want the watermark to move again. You need to simply place the cursor over here. Let's say I'm placing the cursor to now 1 minute and 23 seconds. Now, once you do that, select the watermark like this. And once you do that, you need to simply move it again to the top. And once you do that, you can see that another keyframe has been added. Now, let's play the video from the beginning. And as you can see that your watermark is now moving. And that's it. You now know how to add moving watermark on your CapCut video. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.